Okie dokie, so today we're talking about just the central dogma and kind of an overview of what happens in that. And so the central dogma is this idea in biology of going from DNA to RNA, then to proteins, and then the proteins make us. And so in this, there's some processes we want to keep in mind. The first one for DNA is going to be replication. And this is just, in layman's terms, copying the DNA. The next thing for DNA that we want to keep in mind, and this is going to get us, actually, it's this arrow right here. And this is called transcription. And so transcription is going from DNA to RNA, and basically you're copying, moving DNA information into RNA. So transcribing from one code into another code, but not into proteins yet. And this stays in the same macromolecule set. They're both nucleic acid. Nucleic acids. Then we have this arrow right here, so DNA to protein, or excuse me, RNA to protein. This is called translation. And that's kind of how I keep these separate in my mind, translation. And translation is this thing. It's going from RNA to protein. And this is, you're going different macromolecules. And so we're going from nucleic acids to protein, which is why it's called protein. And so how there's a whole specific set and way to do this. This uses codon, mRNA, tRNA, and ribosomes. There's a lot of steps in this as well that I'm going to go over in the future, but this is just kind of an overview of what's going on as far as the central dogma, DNA, RNA, protein to you. And so I hope that was helpful.